Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync all your photos and videos across all of your Apple devices, including your iPhone, your iPad, and your Mac computer. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, on your device, you're going to tap on the Settings app first. I'm on my iPhone, but again, you can do the same steps on your iPad or a Mac computer. Open up the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top. Scroll down to the bottom, and at the bottom of the settings in your Apple account, you'll be able to see all of the devices that are currently logged into your Apple account. These are the devices that you will be able to sync those photos and videos across to. Keep in mind, if you don't see the device on here, an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, essentially you just need to go into this screen and sign into the same Apple account. Scroll to the top and check that email address is the same on all your devices. After you've done that, you can tap on iCloud. I've paid for more storage. You can see I have 2 terabytes of storage. Keep in mind, tap on storage at the top. If you don't have enough space to be able to sync up all those photos and videos, you might need to pay for a bit more space. 200 gigabytes is offered completely free. Now, let's sync up all of those by tapping the back arrow. And next to Save to iCloud, tap on Photos. You can see sync this iPhone. If this is toggled off, all of the photos and videos will stay on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer. However, if you turn this on, it will start to sync all of those photos and videos across all of your devices. It says view and share them all on your all devices or on iCloud.com. Scroll down, you can see download and keep originals or optimize iPhone storage. Essentially, by optimizing the storage, you just download small pixelized resolution videos or photos on your iPhone, but the full resolution will be on the iCloud. If you tap on it, it essentially just downloads that photo or video to be able to use in real time, but it helps save space on your device. After you've done that, you can see next to status, in my case, syncing is paused. Just tap on sync now, and it will sync up all those photos and videos across all of your devices. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks, guys.